I've had enough of that, Emerson. Where's my RCA cable?
49 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along and extending from Pleasant Gap to near Riverside, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anniston, Oxford, Talladega, Jacksonville, Piedmont, Heflin, West End, Cobbtown, Fort McClellan, Sachs, Lincoln, Weaver, Riverside, Munford, Hobson City, Ranburne, Hurst, Waldo, Edwardsville, and Talladega Superspeedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's a new WR10.
Time for northeastern Alabama.
Oops.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Wait.
No messages. No, please leave a message. Hello, please. No, please leave a message after the tone. Hello, please leave a message after the tone.